Mentah kesenam arajar arpulai ke Kynhun ke nyngkong jong Kynthei ha ke Pyrton Pulit SF-10 kembali tip kum ka Mega Shakti. Kila pendap ke jing syak pentebet ha ke kam Pulit kum ki Commando Kynthei. Bat ki banang ni syakamat kin sami perthai ban syakri ya ke kam jong ki ban tek lakam ya ki kam bamman ha ke jela. Lapen scam ya kini ki Pulit Commando Kynthei ha ke jingelang ke belalong ha ka khatsau terik mentau benai kela lengkot arajar arpulai. Ha ke jaka ajing hikai jong ke MLP First Battalion ha Mauyong ha kenong ba Shillong. Ha kini ke Kynhun jong ki Pulit SF-10 jong ki Kynthei ki bela pendep ya ke jing syak pentebet. Kila don san puar ngut barok ki ba kenthop ki khasi ki penar ki acek bat ki we de ki jat benrio. Ha ka jingelang pen scam ya ki kum ki dikhot bapura jong ka Kynhun Mega Shakti the Women Commando Warriors of SF-10. Nedon rangkat Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum Kongsan Menteri Sarkar bakmi ya ketenat Home Police ubaklah kemen romboi kum sumbut Kongsan bat ki wedek bledon rangkat ki kentup Chief Secretary Kejela ubak DP Walang Director General ki Pulit Dr. LR Bishnoi bat ki wedek ki hek Pulit. Hagani kesngi kini ki Kynthei ki bala pendep ya ke training ki lapen inam ru ya ke drill jongki ka bagi lapen kreak kerpang na kebentak ni kesngi rangkat ke drill dan ke baki yang lang bat ki sulai bat ke martial arts drill. Haba kerana kejingelang hakini kesngi Menteri Rang Ba Kejela ulai ki kentian kitbok kit ruang ya kini Kynthei samla ki bala pendep ya ke jing syak pentebet ha ka Kampulit SF-10. Ban ulong ba kesorkar kan persyangkat bala ban kersan ke tenat Pulit ban syakri ki nong syong Kejela ha ka ban penek ya ke syongsok syongsan.
This is our first women commandos in our state and the second in the country. And hence, it is a matter of great honor and great pride to have our women commandos here today. And I take this opportunity to congratulate our DGP and all the other officials who have played a key role in initiating and ensuring that we are able to have our first women commando warriors. This is again another red letter day, I should say, for the women in our society. And I must take this opportunity to mention this. That always when we think of commandos, then we always think that only men can be in those forces. But the women of Meghalaya have proved that thought wrong. The women of Meghalaya have proved that they are second to none. The women of Meghalaya have proved that they can take up any challenge that comes in front of them. And hence this is really indeed a very, very historic and a very, very special day.
Zavarina isama dapiwabet harluki amilita malay wandashishas imli minita imti and urban warfare. One of these instructors is the only woman from Meghalaya to have conquered Mount Everest in the year 2013. They have also completed commando training from NSG, IDBP Mahinanda and Greyhounds.